Today's topic is adding a future publication date for a post or a page. The great thing about WordPress is that you can use this same technique whether you're adding a page or a post. Today we'll add a post and show you how it works. So we'll go to the dashboard, we'll select Posts, and we're going to add a new one. We will just call it July for a topic. And we will assume that we have typed in something really good over here in our post area and now are ready to go and publish. To publish for a future date, you'll notice this panel right over here on your right-hand side. What we're going to look at is this little calendar area here, and this is where the power of future publishing becomes obvious and enabled for you. If you edit this little calendar area by clicking right here, you'll now see that you have a calendar type of scenario which opens up. You can select December. Let's suppose we want to go to December. Let's suppose we want to publish it on the 24th of 2015. We can schedule the month, the day, the year, as well as the time of day. Once we've selected the appropriate date, day, and time information, we click OK. Notice before we click OK, the button says Publish. As we click OK, now the button changes to Schedule. In order to complete this activity and schedule your post for that December 24th, 2015 date at about 6:31, you'll have to hit the scheduling button. So we'll do that now. And once again, we have a change to the Publish area. This now says Update. This post has now been scheduled for you to post automatically without any further intervention on your part on December 24th, 2015. Now suppose you come into your WordPress panel and you don't see this Publish area right here on the right. That could be because your screen options have been set differently. Let's take a look at where it might be if it's not here immediately on the right. We'll go up to the Screen Options section right up here at the top-hand right side. Click on that, and I'm going to draw your attention here to the screen layout and the number of columns. This screen layout and number of columns refers to the back-end editing that you will do while you're creating your post and does not affect the front end at all. So when you select one or two columns here is only with respect to what you're doing on the back end in your editing. So if before you couldn't see your publishing feature here over on the right, you may have this one column feature selected. And you'll notice that once I've done that, that panel to the right has disappeared and it has gone down here stacked up. So if yours is not visible, it might be down below stacked up. You can change this option as you see fit. We'll go back to the 2 for now and close up this screen options. Now suppose it comes to pass that you do not want to actually schedule this post for December 24th, 2015 at 18:31, but you have a new date you'd like to add or change it to. To do this is a snap. All you need to do is go into this particular post again, and over here by your calendar feature where you have it scheduled for December 24th, 2015, click on the Edit feature again, and you can change this to any date and time. Let's suppose for this purpose that we wanted it to be 1 year out. And we really wanted it to be at 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. or 7:31 a.m. So let's click OK. And now we've changed that publication date. But to go ahead and confirm that it's actually updated, we should hit the Update button. And you're all set. Your post has been scheduled for that date. And just for argument's sake, we'll go into the pages and take a look at that and show you what that all looks like when you want to schedule the page. It really is exactly the same. So we'll just take a quick look at adding a new page. And voila, you will see that we have the publishing panel here just as it was in the posts. And again, the screen options up top, if you're not seeing the publish panel here at the right, perhaps you're seeing it down in the bottom, stacked up. Again, we have the screen layout options, and we can select one which pops that panel down below your screen editing area where you would type your content. You can see that you have the publish information right over here. And it's really just a matter of preference of how you like to work when you're within your WordPress editing panel. So this concludes our lesson about how you can schedule posts and pages for the future. It's really an awesome feature because it allows you to schedule one day or more of writing and simply schedule them out into the future for however long you may like to make that choice.